Hi, and welcome back. We defined in the previous model the term hallucinations, which is the propensity of a language model to generate non-factual content. This issue affects any language model, large or not, with serious consequences. Let me tell you a story. Business analysts predicted that the legal industry would be a fertile ground for AI and even be disrupted by automation. Let's meet Zachariah. Zachariah was 2 years out of law school, working at a law firm, struggling to meet deadlines for preparing court documentation. This real story was reported in the Washington Post, and I recommend reading the full story using the citation at the bottom of the screen. The person shown here is not Zachariah, rather one of the cutout people available in PowerPoint. He came up with the idea of using ChatGPT to write court cases to keep up with the load and delegated to generative AI the task of writing much of the documentation. This is a task that a generative AI system can do quite well. In fact, you can provide specific examples of a very defined use case, so the generative AI can learn a specific skill. This prompting technique is called few-shot learning. You will learn this technique in the second part of this course. Within seconds, the artificial intelligence chatbot had completed the document. Zachariah sent it to his boss for review and filed it with the Colorado court. Zachariah was happy. In his own words, "I was over the moon excited for just the headache that it saved me." However, what happened next would come with grave consequences. What Zachariah did not notice was that ChatGPT hallucinated and made up several fake lawsuit citations that could not be found in the court database. When the opposing team referred him back to the judge, she could not do anything else but report Zachariah to the Attorney Complaints State Office. As a consequence, Zachariah was fired from his law firm. This is a real consequence of using generative AI without proper checkpoints, a problem that extends to other disciplines, including scientific research. This brings me to issue number 4. Watch out when creating content with large language models, as they can hallucinate and get you in trouble. Nowadays, there is a large offering of generative AI solutions. And with this understanding, let's look at opportunities and possible issues.